To change theme on Samsung Galaxy A26 5G, just start by opening settings, and then you will have to navigate into themes. When you are here, you have to update your Galaxy Themes application up to the latest version, and after a few seconds we will be able to change it. So right now, after the installation process, we'll have to open it one more time, and you have to select themes from the left bottom corner. I can recommend you to click on the top and switch all into free, so you don't have to pay for them. And now just pick up the theme that you like to apply. So in my case, let's say that I want to get, for example, this one with the pandas, and that's the preview, how it actually looks. You have to click download, and right now, after the downloading process, you will have to click apply just right here. So it is actually quite simple. Click apply, and after a few seconds it is finished.